Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to let you know that we had an overwhelming response on our video that we did yesterday about the possibility of doing a club kit. So, since we had such an overwhelming response, we are going to start the club kit. It will be called E Club Kit, and when it's time to sign up, you will go to our website. I'm going to put all of these links and the information below, so if you forget something, you can just go down there and read about it. But we will have sign-ups on the 2nd and 3rd of January. So that is, what day is that? Let's look that up real quick. That's going to be Wednesday and Thursday. So this coming Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to have sign-ups. The sign-ups will start at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Now, that is my time, so you need to look up. If you live in a different time zone, you need to look up and see what 10 a.m. is on your time. But they will go live at 10 a.m. and we have, for February, we have just 40 kits. So the first 40 people to sign up is the first 40 people that get the kits. Now, if we have all of those sold out in those 2 days, then for March, we will have even more. So you'll be able to sign up in March if you missed February. We'll add more kits on until we get the amount that we need. But we were only able to get 40 kits, and we've already got everything ordered, so it should be here sometime next week, hopefully. And we'll be able to get the kits together. They'll all ship in a box, so they'll ship in a box so that nothing will be squished. They'll also be in plastic containers, so none of your paper is going to get wet if it does happen to sit outside for a while. Things like that. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, 15 different items that's going to be in the February kit. Now, when you sign up on the 2nd or 3rd of January, you're signing up for the February kit. You will pay a month in advance. Now, after the 3rd of February, you're able to sign up after that, but anybody who signs up 4th, 5th, 6th, or like that, they will be signing up for the March kit. So if you miss out on the February kit, then you will be able to sign up after that, but you'll be signing up for the March kit. We'll let you know more about that a little bit later on. Right now, we're going to concentrate on the February kit. Let's see what else I need to tell you. The free shipping does go for the United States. Now, I did have some questions about the Virgin Islands. Even though the Virgin Islands is owned by the United States or part of the United States, it does cost a little bit more to ship to the Virgin Islands. So if you live in the Virgin Islands, it will be $10 shipping to you. The way that we'll have to do that is you can sign up, but then we'll have to send you an invoice for your shipping, and your shipping will have to be paid before we can ship your kit out. Same goes for international. Now, for Canada, I had one person ask for Canada. For Canada, most parts of Canada, it would be $18 to ship your kit. And that's the cheapest that I found. I tried 2 or 3 different ways. That's the cheapest I found. And I can't remember what part of Canada that was, but I put in a zip code that somebody sent me, and that was how much it would be, $18. That would be about the same price each month, because we're going to try to keep the kits at about the same weight each month. So that would be, each month it'd be $18. So if you signed up for the kit, then you would have to pay your shipping. We'd invoice you, you'd have to pay your shipping before your kit would be shipped out. Anybody outside of those 2 places that wants information on how much your shipping would be, you need to email me, and my email will be below. Email me your zip code, and I can plug that in to the different carriers that we use and see how much your shipping would be, and that way you'll know whether you want to sign up or not. This is open international, but remember, we can only do free shipping for the United States. Anybody outside the United States, and that's the continental United States, anybody outside of that, would have to pay their shipping, because we just can't do free shipping for international. That just, it just costs too much. The total retail value of the kits is going to be around $45 a month. So you're going to get product in your kit that is worth $45 retail. Now all you're going to pay is $34.95, and that's going to include your shipping. So if you take the $45 and you add another, say, $6 on for shipping, you're really getting $51 worth of product and your shipping for just $34.95. And it will have a May stamp in there. We've already sent her the paper that we're using, and she's got her people working on that. They'll get that stamp set available to us to put in the kit. It does have stamp, paper, bling. It's going to have bling in it. Ink pad, die, sequins, baker's twine, pop dots, die cuts, vellum, stickles, flowers, 3x4 cards, shipping tags, chipboard, and more. And when I say and more, each month the kit is going to have a little surprise in it for you guys. So one month, I may put, I don't know, I may put butterflies in there. One month I may put something. Each month there's going to be a little surprise in there. It's just it'll be packaged in a little thank you bag, and that will be just a surprise for you. So each month we'll be doing that. And then something else. Okay, the free PDF does come. You'll get the link for the free PDF and the exclusive video. Now the video will not be public on my YouTube. It will be exclusive to you guys. So everyone who signs up will get an exclusive video showing step-by-step instructions on how to do 2 projects, and then the free PDF for those 2 projects. So that will be, all those links will be included in your kit. You will also get in your kit a coupon code where you will be able to get 15% off of anything in our store for this next year, as long as you're signed up. Now, let me tell you this. We are not going to be, we're cutting down some of the items that we're carrying in our store. So we're not going to be carrying a full line of everything like we have been carrying. We're going to be cutting down a little bit more and concentrating more on the club kits. So we're going to still have, our glitter glue, our score tape, paper, collections of paper, different things like that. But we're not going to carry such a wide variety. But anything that we carry in our store, as long as you are a club member, you can get 15% off of that. Okay, I think I've covered just about everything. The only questions I had, I did have another question about, will you accept PayPal? Yes, this will be run through PayPal. So you can click on there, click on PayPal, and then you can still go over to the PayPal and you can still pay with your debit and credit card, bank account, that kind of thing. Now, let me tell you, I will not accept payments that come from the bank account that are not immediate payments. If they are, I have to wait 10 days or something like that on the payment to clear, we're not going to accept that. So make sure that you pay with either a debit card or credit card or directly out of your PayPal account. All right, I think that's all the questions that we had. Go ahead and write down on your calendars the 2nd of January at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. That's when the kits are going to go on sale. And we have just 40 for February. That's it. So when they sell out, everybody who signs up after that, they will be signing up for the March kit. All right, guys, that is all I have. If you have any other questions, please leave them below, and I will try to answer them just as fast as I can. They have been coming in all night since we posted this yesterday, so just let me know if you have any other questions, and we'll answer them for you. And we look forward to getting the first kit out. I think you're going to be really excited about this first one. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Thanks so much.